76, State of Texas versus Angel Roman. Can I have the parties announced for the record for the state?
Thanks to the state of Texas. Javier Garcia for Angel Ramon, and I'm Mr. Shannon Love's associate attorney here.
All right, are you Mr. Angel Roman?
Yes.
Any objections to this attorney standing in? All right, counsel, you received all the discovery and did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Roman, I'm showing you what's entitled application for deferred adjudication or community supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Showing you what's entitled true bill of indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Inside a Texas courtroom. The case of State versus Angel Roman begins with routine formalities. The judge confirms Angel's identity and ensures legal representation is in place. The defense attorney has reviewed the case discovery and the application for deferred adjudication with Mr. Roman, who confirms understanding and agreement. This is not just another courtroom drama, it's a turning point in one man's legal journey. As the process unfolds, the stakes become clear. You're watching Judge Bench. Don't forget to subscribe for more real court stories like this one.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment? State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
No, Your Honor, the state is making a motion to proceed on the lesser included assault family class A misdemeanor.
Any objection?
No, Your Honor.
Showing you what's entitled court admonishments and defendants waivers and affidavit of admonitions. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
Did you understand the state is proceeding on the lesser included offense?
The court determines that the state has complied with discovery obligations. The judge presents Angel with the true bill of indictment, a document laying out formal charges. After reviewing it with his attorney, Angel waives the reading of the indictment. But then, an unexpected shift. The state moves forward not on the original charge, but on a lesser included offense, assault. This decision changes the direction of the case and offers Angel a different path forward. Sometimes, justice isn't about harsh punishment, it's about careful calibration.
Of assault, bodily injury, family, married, household as a class A misdemeanor. Range of punishment is anywhere from a $4,000 fine and up to 1 year in the Bexar County Jail. Did you understand? If you have evidence to find you guilty, the court will defer finding of guilt as you applied for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes.
Have you all spoke to the complainant?
We have.
The charge is now Class A misdemeanor assault involving family violence. Angel confirms he reviewed and signed all court waivers and admonishments. The judge details the potential punishment up to a $4,000 fine and 1 year in jail. However, Angel's application for deferred adjudication opens a door to avoid conviction if he follows the court's terms. This is the justice system's balancing act: accountability and the opportunity for rehabilitation. Angel agrees to proceed with sentencing. But what comes next hinges on his past, his behavior, and his willingness to change.
Yes, we have spoken with the complainant.
And is she aware of this and in favor of this?
At the time when we finalized the plea, we have not been able to reach the complainant. She was previously non-cooperative.
Okay. All right. Are you still with the complainant? Do you have any children with her? That relationship is over. You're not to speak to her. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
If you violate my conditions, that we're going to have issues. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right. And with regards to the broken television sets, is there a restitution amount that's due for breaking 2 TVs?
The court turns its attention to the alleged victim, Patricia Garza. While she was initially uncooperative, efforts to contact her during finalization were unsuccessful. The relationship is over, and Angel confirms he is no longer in contact with her. The judge issues a stern warning. Any future contact with Patricia would be a violation of court orders. Then comes a curious point: 2 broken televisions. Restitution is considered. While minor in comparison to the charge, it's a reminder consequences come in many forms: financial, emotional, and legal.
There was no restitution amount. included in the agreement.
All right. So do you know if there's restitution? People have to watch football. This is Texas.
I'm not aware of any restitution or any restitution asked for.
All right. So I see that alcohol was involved in this. If you're drug tested today, are you going to be positive for anything?
No.
All right. You can't be using drugs when you're working in the oil field. All
Right.
right. All right. Do you have any children?
I have one.
How old?
She's gonna be 5 this year.
All right. And is she in your life? Do you see her on a regular basis?
Restitution won't be required for the broken TVs. But the court raises deeper concerns. Alcohol was involved in the incident. And the judge warns Angel. There's no room for drugs or alcohol in the oil fields. When asked about his daughter, Angel admits she's young. And yes, she is a part of his life. The judge's questions peel back the layers of a man under pressure, struggling between responsibility and recklessness. In this moment, it's clear this isn't just a legal issue, it's a life issue.
And she's not with Miss Garza?
No.
All right, the court is going to sentence you to 1 year deferred adjudication. There's an affirmative finding of family violence, the BIPP course, no contact with Patricia Garza. I'm going to do 80 hours of community service restitution. I'm going to order parenting classes. Once you've completed those, then the 80 hours will be satisfied. Regular reporting by Zoom or in person. Do you take UAs for your job? I know some do when they work in all fields, or is it only if there's an accident?
The sentence is issued. 1 year of deferred adjudication. With an affirmative finding of family violence. Angel must complete 80 hours of community service, parenting classes and report regularly either by Zoom or in person. No contact with Patricia Garza. The judge tailors the sentence with precision, balancing protection, punishment, and the hope for personal change. For Angel, this is a chance to prove he's more than the charges. But the system will be watching closely. And any misstep could bring everything crashing down.
I believe it's only when it's in accident.
All right, we're going to do 90 sober meetings in 90 days. I know you are in the all fields, but sometimes they can have you do those online.
Right.
How are we going to handle the UAs? Because he's 2 weeks there and 2 weeks back. So he'll need to be tested when he comes back. So we'll do regular UAs, proof of employment within 15 days.
With Angel working 2-week shifts in the oil fields, the logistics of his punishment become complex. The court orders 90 sober meetings in 90 days. With UAS, urinalysis testing scheduled for his return days. Proof of employment must be submitted within 15 days. The legal system recognizes real life constraints but doesn't excuse responsibility. The balance between enforcing justice and accommodating reality is delicate. Angel must walk that line with discipline. His compliance or failure will write the next chapter of this courtroom story.
No employment as a home health care provider or with minors. Probation, is there anything else? Let's just, they can do a field visit 2 times. And I want one done when he's first back in town to make sure that everything is okay. And then if everything is okay, they can do one more, just a spot check, random. All right, is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
No.
All right, I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. I'll give come round. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
The judge imposes further restrictions. Angel is barred from working in home healthcare or around minors. Probation officers are granted permission for 2 surprise home visits, including one right after Angel returns from work. These aren't just technicalities, they are trust checkpoints. The court makes it clear if Angel wants leniency, he must earn it through compliance. Every condition set is part of a broader goal, ensuring public safety while offering a path to redemption. Angel listens quietly, his future hinging on every term.
Yes, sir.
Because anything else?
Yes, sure.
Yes.
Apologies. For his travel, I don't know, it's in Texas, outside of Texas, either way, can we get directed from the court
Yes.
or, that permission? Please?
All right, defendant is allowed to travel for work. And my understanding, he says it's in Midland. All right, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, because this is a plea bargaining agreement, because I followed your plea bargaining agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Travel is granted for work as long as it's within Texas, particularly in Midland where Angel says is employed. The judge revisits the final document. Trial court certification of defendants. Right to appeal. Angel confirms he reviewed, understood, and signed it. Because this is a plea bargain with a waiver of appeal, he cannot challenge the decision. The courtroom is silent as the final seal is set. What began as a formal arraignment has become a structured sentence, a roadmap of what Angel must now follow.
And because this is an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you need to speak to an attorney. You understand?
Yes, sir.
All right, we can go off the record. You're gonna have to do better. You gotta be an example for your children. Obviously, you cannot drink in moderation, so just don't drink. There are plenty of other drinks out there that are non-alcoholic that taste just as great. And did that neck tattoo hurt?
Yes, it was very.
Because it appears like it's right on the Adam's apple,
Yeah,
and the eye keeps moving.
with my talk.
Yeah. All right. All right, good luck to you, okay?
In closing, the court delivers a lasting message with a family violence conviction. Angel is barred from owning or possessing weapons or ammunition. The judge speaks directly, clear, firm, and unflinching. Angel is warned, no alcohol, no excuses. He's urged to be a better example for his daughter. Then, in a lighter moment, the judge jokes about Angel's neck tattoo, acknowledging the human beneath the case number. Court adjourns. For Angel Roman, the path forward is narrow but navigable. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned to Judge Bench for more real courtroom journeys.